Welcome to Histopathology with Arnold. Today I'll be talking about histopathology sample reception in the lab. Before I proceed, please hit the like button. Sample reception in histopathology is a critical step that ensures the proper handling and processing of tissue samples for diagnostic purposes. Here's a detailed explanation of sample reception processes. First, we have the pre-reception. This involves sample collection, sample labeling, and sample transportation. Tissue samples are collected from patients with various methods such as biopsies, surgeries, and autopsies. Sample labeling. Samples are labeled with patient information, specimen type, and relevant clinical information. Sample transportation. Samples are transported to the histopathology laboratory in a secure and timely manner. Sample reception. Sample reception is a process of receiving, inspecting, and documenting biological specimens such as fluids, tissues, or cells in laboratory setting. It is the initial step in the laboratory testing process and involves verifying the identity and the integrity of the sample, as well as ensuring that it is properly labeled, stored, and handled. The sample reception process typically includes the following steps. First, receiving the sample from the healthcare provider or authorized personnel. Second, verifying the sample label and documentation to ensure that it matches the patient's identity and the medical record. We have to inspect the sample for visible damage, contamination, or other issues that may affect the testing of the specimen. Documenting the sample's condition, including any notable features or issues. We also have to label the sample with a unique identifier. This is a unique identification number and other relevant information. We also have to store the sample in a secure, controlled environment, such as a refrigerator or freezer, when this is required. The next stage is data entry and tracking. Entering the sample's information into the laboratory database or tracking system. Tracking the sample's progress throughout the testing process. Proper sample reception is crucial in histopathology as it sets the stage for accurate and reliable diagnostic testing. Here are the importance and implications of proper sample reception. The importance of proper sample reception. 1. Accurate patient identification. It ensures that correct patient sample is processed and reported, preventing mix-ups and misdiagnosis. 2. Correct specimen type. Verifies that the received specimen is the correct type, ensuring that the appropriate tests are performed. 3. Adequate sample quality. Ensures that the sample is received in good condition with minimal degradation and contamination. 4. Complete and accurate documentation. Ensures that all relevant clinical information and sample documentation are complete and accurate, facilitating accurate diagnosis and reporting. 5. Efficient laboratory workflow. Streamlines laboratory workflow by ensuring that samples are properly labeled, prioritized, and processed, reducing errors and delays. Implications of improper sample reception. 1. Diagnostic errors. Incorrect or incomplete information can lead to diagnostic errors and misdiagnosis. 2. Patient safety risk. Improper sample handling or identification can compromise patient safety, leading to inappropriate treatment or delayed treatment. 3. Laboratory errors. Inaccurate or incomplete sample documentation can lead to laboratory errors, including incorrect test results or reporting. 4. Regulatory non-compliance. Failure to follow proper sample reception procedures can result in regulatory non-compliance, leading to accreditation issues or legal consequences. 5. 5. Reputation and trust. Repeated errors and inaccuracies in sample reception can damage the laboratory's reputation and erode trust with clinicians and patients. So I'm just going to go over the best practices for proper sample reception again. 1. Verify patient identification. 2. Check specimen and type quality. 3. Documentation. 4. Prioritize samples. 5. Train laboratory staff. By emphasizing the importance of proper sample reception and implementing best practices, histopathology laboratories can minimize errors, ensure accurate diagnosis, and maintain patient safety and trust. Thank you very much for listening. Please don't forget to hit the like button.